Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm just going to be potting up succulents that I've been needing to pot up. So it's going to be like a video of potting up succulents that I've been needing to. So just mixing my soil here. Don't mind my next door neighbor dog. Okay, so first I'll start with this one. I have this beautiful, I don't know if it's a Pollux. I could never get the name of this thing. I have some water in there. Let me get it out. This one I pulled right off of the mom who's given me so many babies. So since it's a little super small, I'm not going to put anything in there. I'm gonna just set these in there like this. Hi. My son's saying hi, of course, to you all. He's out here with me. It's a little rude. We had rain yesterday, so we weren't able to be outside.
But now we can be outside now because now it's not raining.
Just like that. This one I'm gonna put my little cactus in that I got. I got this from Walmart. It's a Apuntia Quimilo. I don't know how you say it, but I'm just gonna put this tall one in here. And I'll leave that other one. Actually, or should I put this one? No, I like the tall one. So I'm gonna leave this one in here for now. Put it back in here.
You can touch it carefully. You can touch that cactus carefully, not hard. Else I might poke you.
Yeah. So we'll
But
set
you
to
can
the
touch
side.
it a little bit like this.
And this one I'm gonna put in here. Just fill it. It's good. Fill it at the bottom. Set this bad boy in there.
Mom, what is this for?
It's soil, baby.
That was some soil for my plant. When we went to the baseball field.
Yeah, I went to the plant show. Green scene. Remember the guy gave it to you?
What guy gave you?
The man was selling soil.
But
There's that one. I think it looks so cool.
He gave it to me so I could grow a little plant. That was so nice of him. That was so nice of him.
It was.
And then we bought.
Okay, let me go put these away and then I'll be right back. Alright, so next I'm going to repot. I'm going to redo this.
I'm building a fence.
This. And it looks pretty bad, so I'm going to add some plants to it.
Like I'm building a fence?
Sure.
Okay, and I'm building a fence. I like building fences in there, and I like
pull these
big, tall buildings.
Okay, Papa.
Huh? I was just talking to Ian.
Okay.
I want them to know my
This fuzzy guy in there. And this blue sky. That just looks like it has a lot of roots. Definitely gonna leave all those roots on. this was a cutting too that I put in there.
This is our garden.
There's this one. Yeah, Papa. And all of this, I'm gonna get rid of it.
This is my garage.
Okay.
How about this is our garage?
It rained yesterday, so that's why it's so wet.
Everything was soaked. Mom, everything was just soaked.
And it does have like a, looks like it's filled right now, but this is the drainage here. So I can clean it out here. Little centipede thing. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna add my new soil. Okay, so I'm gonna add this one back in there. It's doing really well. There. I'm gonna be pulling all of these. Oh, look at that little baby. Let me see if I can pull these out. These I behead and save them from root rot a while back. They've grown some nice roots. Pop this one in here. Trying to give that baby some room to still grow nicely.
Mom, can you mix the soya?
Yeah, just don't drop. Just like that. I'm gonna add this one. They're also rooted.
I just got to work a little bit with you. This is some mint hot dog break. It can make the hot dog grow. I mean, do you want to make a plant farm?
Sure.
Okay. Then we can work all the time. Mom, I could be your water. I could be your waterman. I could water the plants so they could grow. Okay?
Okay.
And you could put the seed, you could put the seed, and then I could water them so they could grow.
Yeah.
That's a plant farm. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Like that. So I kind of want to turn it like out like that. I'll add these back in here.
Look at this is my plant farm truck. Look at this is my plant farm truck.
Cool.
It could take the big old truck
Okay.
to the big old plant truck. It carries a lot of plants. So when the little trucks give them to them.
Okay.
Okay.
Just using this to make a hole. I'm gonna place this little guy in here.
I'm cutting the weeds.
Thank you. Okay, like that. Let's see if there's anything else I can put in here. Kind of like how that looks, but yeah, let's just add some top dressing. I don't want to put too much in there.
Why sometimes it's wet over here?
Because of the rain, babe.
But no, sometimes it's wet because sometimes we water. Sometimes the wet. Sometimes it rains all the time, and sometimes it looks too wet.
Okay. Okay, now I'm just gonna add. I'm just gonna use these blue rocks. Just add a little pop of color in there. Oh, that's still on. I've been watching a lot of plant YouTube channels lately.
And we have a plant garden. We have a plant farm. I'm telling the audience that so they can make their own plant farm.
Yeah. These rocks I got at the 99-cent store, I believe, in their aquarium section. Don't know what that is. Like that. Just a little arrangement from plants I pulled out. These spent bloom stalks. Just like that. I'll clean this off too. So when you see the before and after, like, this looks way better. Than that one. And the same, these three were in there, and then I added those other three. I think it looks really cute. Let's see if I have anything else. I was gonna redo this one, but I don't have the right pot for it yet. This is a Peonium hybrid, which is an Emerald Ice, and I got this one for $5 at Home Depot. They were having a clearance because they had too many, and they got a new shipment in, so I went in at the right time. It was like a few months ago or something like that. I think I shared it on my Instagram stories. So if you don't follow me there, follow me. If I'm out and I see anything really awesome, I'll share it. And I went to a nursery Tuesday after work, and I found this agave for $3. Little babies. Needs to be repotted soon. And I found this plant that was in a 4-inch container. I got it for $1. Isn't that awesome? Alright friends, well that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.